But I think eyona ndibulala mpela ngumabhebeza. No, haye isukuthi mabhebeza. My guy, that is different. I can never trust you ube une number ye ex.
But trust, I'm gonna give it to you now. So there's this thing about trust. People have a tendency of using that word to cut any conversation that has anything that you wanna question. Where are you going? Who are you calling? Who's this that was talking to you at night? Do you trust me? So if you trust me, why are you asking me these questions? So people have dwelled on this word trust. They've used it to make people to not have questions of stuff that they should have questions about. Yes.
I think there are people that are genuine, and also your friendship. I think it's also it's built on convenience.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay.
So I think even kwilano soulmates as well. I think ikhona soulmate exesha lithile.
Okay.
The soulmate exesha lithile.
Okay.
Yeah. That's like
That's
also
your
a friend.
Yes. Njana unyaka uphethe njani?
Yeah, the year started fine for me. As I said, it's moving too fast. We are getting very old. I don't know back then when we were still younger in the primary school. Was it this fast?
But ungafaki kulapha uthe we getting
Okay. But yeah, so long. The year is okay on my side. Yeah, the struggles there, but it's nothing that I cannot like control or on your side.
I would say it's Binny and Betty. Yeah, understand that it's Binny and Betty.
Oh,
Yeah, understand.
You can't really tell.
But kwenzeka ntoni, but let's underline one thing. Uvuka usaphefumula, you know.
Yeah.
That's one thing.
Yeah.
Understand that enye nenye zizawulandela.
Exactly.
You know. So I'm just glad that ndiyaphefumula. Kusashaya iflate xa ndidlula ngamajita.
Yeah, man. On that note, I was on an interview. I was called for an interview in this one company. Then while I was busy doing the interview, then there was this portrait picture behind the interviewer. It said sometimes it's okay to just wake up and the only thing that you do for the day is to breathe. Going back to what you just said now. So that I was like, I kept on looking on that. I was like, it distracted a bit because that was very, very powerful.
Okay.
It's okay to end the day with only you. The only thing that you have done for that day is only to breathe.
Okay.
Nothing else. So waking up, breathing, having another chance to go at your dreams, go at your goals. It's a blessing. On its own, yeah, but yeah.
Yeah, hence I said again now, it's a good thing to go off mansiba kushaya my fleet. You know, yeah.
Okay.
It's a motivation of
then if you that is what like intrigues you or that is what like gets you.
Intrigue qha ukuyibona nanto uqonda ba at
Yeah.
least senazo zanhlanzana. Remember icherry intsha emjidini
Yeah.
every day. Didibana nawe namhlanje ndiyicherry entsha.
Yeah.
Understand nakomnye nakomnye it's just like that.
Okay.
So uzawuthi ujika apha ekhaya elitsha kwenye ikona.
I'm afraid.
Yeah,
Confidence booster.
abanye ke bafleta nje ba uyicherry egqithayo, otherwise masingabi siyathanda ucinga la manje wathi ukuthi flate you're an it girl mjani.
Okay.
Uhlangabizwa wena kutatshwa utazuku phambi kwakho.
So now, okay, now I hear you. So now they flate at you, they shout your name, they like scream, then you are with your man at that time. So like, does that? How does he's supposed to feel like that? Because me, if I'm walking down the road with my girlfriend
and just also to add, I thought I thought awayithandi.
I personally ndiyadikwa. Ndidikwa kwanguwe mna ozawuthi xa ndidlula uthi exejo. Yo, bra, ndikho gender confused. Andiyazazi uba ndiyintombazana sukuthi joke kum. And kaloku mna ndikhule kulaa generation uJoe endimaziyo ngulo utyityembisa ivoice ube in love singamatsheri. You understand? So suthi joke kum. Sukuthi joke. Ewe ndinaleka sesister. Man, ine. But I think eyona ndibulala mpela ngumabhebeza. No, haye isukuthi mabhebeza. Yeah. Isukuthi one thing I love, I think Eastern Cape banayo lando ngoku bathi ekse asanda. You understand? Abakwazi igama lakho. Ekse asanda. hey man lelethu and everything. Of course most uzawujika laba ayengo asanda mna ndimsethu. Boom. You understand? So clear you part amachita 10, amacherry nil. I clear you yani 10.
Yeah. On that note that you just mentioned now that you thought girls do not like that being flated on. You also mentioned that you don't like certain terms. Yeah, there's this term that I don't like also. It kills me. But people tend to say that I'm too personal or I'm too sensitive towards it. You see, when a lady comes or when a lady calls me by Chomi or I say, yeah, please don't call me like that. I have a name. If you don't know my name, say Butike. I think that's better. Don't call me that.
Are you being too personal?
Exactly. I
no.
Knew that. Hence, I'm bringing it up because I knew that chances are, because you're a lady, you're not gonna agree. But you just mentioned the names that you don't like. But now, me, when I mention the name,
defender, just because the city told me Omdas, it doesn't necessarily mean by their friends or Nangalamzus. But it's a part of Imbekwana Etile.
No.
No, but when Ungakubeka can the city kuwe Chomi.
Chomi? I don't know.
We understand that. But you told me, okay, you.
No, it's okay, I understand.
We understand.
But yeah, my point is, it's not about like you friends owning me. It's about preference. Me, I believe in if a person does not like something, don't do it. You understand? That's the basic start of respecting the other people, knowing your boundaries, knowing your lane. Because when I say I don't like something, don't use it to me. Do you understand? Because I'm sure there's stuff that you don't like, also that you would not want another person to say or use to you. So it's just being considerate of other people's feelings, not to be a narcissist or being arrogant, like thinking that okay, as long as it's not you in the situation.
But there are situations where I would say go Sally, Mdase and whatsoever. I don't know that he doesn't like it.
Yes,
understand? Because this is our first encounter.
Yes.
Or anything. Like how do you handle this situation?
Yeah. On that note, you call me, Mdase, I come close to you, I tell you straight that okay, next time you wanna call me, please don't use that name.
Okay.
But the ladies that will be like, I can call you whatever that I wanna call you. So people that have called by the name Mdase or Chomi, they don't have a problem with that. But I'm not those people. That's the thing. Do you understand? As you said, you don't like to be called Joe. I'm making an example. There are like girls who even use that term, Joe, from women. Do you understand? It's more like a preference thing. And on that note, like you see, there's social networks, there's TikTok, there's Facebook. People they post like on Facebook like sensitive stuff. Do you understand that? Maybe you're gonna find sensitive, but to their defense, they'll be like, "This is Facebook. If you feel like you are old, leave Facebook, go do something else, go sit with Otamzo and whatever. This is Facebook. Here we are playful. Do you understand? I always say to people, I can joke to you about something. To me, it's a joke.
Okay.
But to you, maybe it's not a joke. There was a post that was trending in some years, I think 3 to 4 years back. They posted a young little girl, good, cute one. Then there was this guy that commented. The guy was like, Kulam Tisoki basic. Whoa. The comments that he got.
But we are a couple in Dobana did post something. Kukabana boundaries. Kulea, that was totally out of line of Okala. You can never say Mdaneni or Kulayo. Because remember, we live in a South Africa where is not safe. We understand. And Facebook and whatsoever. Firstly, you do not comment into we understand that we as in or it triggers something. You keep that comment rather to yourself.
Yeah.
Understand that. That would be nice. Facebook yes, we fundile yakhetisha in a way, but to comment landoni because uzayidrega ibende.
Yes.
Okay, at some part it was a bit insensitive.
Okay.
Yeah, understand?
Yes.
But it as much as it's insensitive, if you get like broken, uyazelaphi ngalakhula base sizawutya ibasic uthetha into yokubana you're gonna grow up ube successful and whatsoever uyayiva ne
Yes,
and
yes,
then sizawufumana something ngawe
Yeah.
elulutho bebekhe bayijonga in that way.
Yes.
I feel like people are so broken but nantoni na it's just fight triggering or whatsoever now I think bendinoyithatha olo hlobo uba
Yeah.
khula uzawuvula ibhizinesi yakho abantwana basekhaya bazawuphangela kuthini I think ndingayithatha olo hlobo.
Okay. Yeah. You see that is I've never saw it like that, but
Ne?
you actually making it point now. But then I think it's because it was said by a man. That's why people took it the way they took it. But on that note, on social networks, TikTok, especially Facebook, man, you understand? Do you think people should be mindful of the stuff that they do post there or they display there on Facebook? You understand? I've seen some. This one comes to like relationship wise, like dating. You're my girlfriend, okay, I'm your boyfriend. Then this person goes on Facebook, posts there on Facebook and be like, yo, ansabawe lindo denemal. Oh, asabawe lindo desonthengele lunch. Like,
Utata ke unayo imali.
besides there, we're gonna go there. I'm your man. You post that on Facebook. I don't have money.
Wait, okay, so you're trying to say ba siyajola sobabini then do your poster?
Yes.
I'm trying to
I'm dating you. You're my girlfriend. That's what I'm saying.
Ndilahle.
Do you know how they defend themselves, those people? This is Facebook. We're playing.
But what?
This
Do
Facebook,
Kickstarter
don't take-
bring it in the kick ka Jackie Chan? I can never.
Don't take everything. I'm like, you just pretended in that thing that you posted there that you are single and yet you are in a relationship. Then you come and tell me that it's Facebook. We are playing.
Ukuyibona ipolo edrotshiweyo xa sebaleka igqola amajita befuna amashela. Isidima sakho siphume ola hlobo
Gone.
run ngefestire because there's no way uzawuthi ndijola awundiposti ngelaa xesha undiposti ngathi ndilahlekile uye understand and ukhupha nee-feelings zakho sogqiba ndiyoti kufacebook andisayiba ulindoda nemali wo ayibondilahla mna if bendinokwenza loo nto. That's a valid reason uba iphele relationship.
So, but then
Noba iye 10 years
you
njalo.
find people who are like, you are too insensitive. But my say was always like, if you're gonna pretend as if you are single, it's no, I'm not pretending I'm single. I'm just playing Facebook. I'm like, but I think there's some stuff that you just can't like put them there, man, on Facebook for the sake of the person that you are dating, or for the sake of your family, or for the sake of people that might go to your profile. There's this lady I saw on TikTok. I forgot the name now, but it was a lady that was sharing information about her friend. The lady works in Dubai. This is Facebook stuff. So the lady is working in Dubai. So now in Dubai, there was a post in the workplace that she was at. Then, fortunate enough, her friend, who is from here, South Africa, was shortlisted for the position.
Okay.
Did interview online.
Okay.
Okay, no problem. Did interview online. Then they were on the process of visas, work permits for her to go to Dubai.
To Dubai.
And she already shared this information to her friend who's already there. So her friend is like, yo, I'm so excited that at least someone from my country, Tulsa as I am, is coming over to Dubai.
And Bazichomi was.
Yes,
Oh, okay.
it's gonna be
Perfect.
a lekker thing.
Okay.
You understand? The recruiters or the company, because they are clever, you know what they did? They went to her socials, Facebook account. They saw a post that she posted like 2 years ago or
Okay.
1.5 years ago. That post reads as tell them they're at work and he's in on a Monday. That's what she posted.
Jokes.
Jokes.
Zika Facebook.
Zika
So she
Facebook.
lost the job all of
She
them.
lost the job.
Whoa,
A
child.
lifetime opportunity to go work in Dubai, which is deemed as the one.
Yeah, apparently those companies, they do that. They do a background
They
check
do a background check. That's
on
just
every
share.
socials. Mna ndathi ndayifumaniseka loo nto leyo. I normally yazi another thing kufacebook net uqale ushare ipost eyi-1 ba uzube nathi mhlawumbi uzabe ne-event kuloo ndawo soze uphinde uyeke ushare. That's
Yes.
one thing you should know.
Yeah.
That's how you become a sharist. We understand. So ndaqala usharisha olo hlobo and ndafumaniseka uba zi-idiotic each and every time izinto endizipostayo. So most of the times ubunothi mhlawumbi xa ndizawuba ne-interview kuloo nto kuthiwa lo akakho serious. So people should be careful.
Be mindful.
You guys should be mindful of whatever that you post. But I think most of the time izinto kupostwa ngabantu.
Because even if you do apply online for some companies that have like career sites, they will ask you like, where did you see this post? It's either it's LinkedIn, it's Facebook, or the website, or from your friend. If you say Facebook, they're gonna check your Facebook. They're gonna check your LinkedIn. So be mindful of the stuff that you post on Facebook. The relationship can end, then you end up being an ex to the person that you were having good time with. Do you understand? On that note of exes, man, do you keep contacts of exes?
Chana, there's a reason why we ex yam. Uyaphi efonini yam.
Do you keep, Major, do you keep contacts of exes on your phone?
Okay, why are you shaking
But I don't know, man.
Chana, you don't know.
I would delete. Yeah. Delete. Oh, but why should I delete Ilanduza? Because it's not like some classes enemies or whatsoever.
Yes, we are not enemies, but there's a reason.
I was waiting for that response. That's the only response that you get from people.
Yeah,
They like, we're not enemies. We didn't fight. Okay, but my question, my thing is, you were dating. Now you are exes. Maybe you started as friends. Then you went on, then dated. Remember, the conversation goes with the stage you are currently in your relationship. When you are friends, the stuff that you talk about maybe may not be so romantic and stuff. Then when you go to a relationship status thing, then your conversations are more like maybe friendly, because the person that you are dating should be friendly to you, should be a friend. Then there's also romance. Now it's over. So now, what are you going to talk about? You're going to go back to the phase where you were friends and forget about this one.
We are on Facebook with friend. Remember, how do you go back to being friends?
Because I always say, it may happen that you are talking, if you are talking, because obviously you're going to be talking if you have your ex's number on your phone.
Chana, we're going to be talking, yes, it does our you remember you're mesmerizing mchana. You are mesmerizing. You understand? I couldn't know ex because
then this one says to you, you remember the day that I took you out to Bossa or
mchana. We understand ukhona ke ngokubheki apha umntana abantu ubuyise ubuso apha wena ubhizi ne-ex yakho.
You understand? So
sisathetha ngaloo nto ye-ex yazi before yami ifonele i-ex ye-7 years ago. Andinayo inamba yakhe. No, ndiyafuna uyilungisa lo but andinanamba yakhe. And we're not friends on Facebook, yes. But this is what had happened. Yes. Okay, so ngenxa ye-inbox ifowuni yam ke guys stop and go iyazicofa sentsho nawe ngenye imini ungazokothuke icofa ngelo xesha kutsho i-anthem yase-Iraq uyayi-understand mhlawumbi zabe ndiphantsi kwempi I don't know ifowuni yam leyo uyayi-understand so ndiyayazi ii-followers zethu zandibethela mali zizathi qinge 16 Pro Max uye kugeza yabo so go for bra, you understand? So, and it's a good thing kangayiphenduli. Mhlawumbi phofu bezayiphendula ebezawundivubandilele. Yebo. But ivule ikroba lana because akandincokolisi uya understand? So ndimblokile ke ngoku kuyo yonke loo nto. Iphinde ke ngoku kum i-weakest point because andiyitshintshe inamba mtshana. Zange ndayitshintshe inamba. As much as ndimblokile ku-Facebook nakwezinye izinto nakwintoni na. But la mntu uzawuthatha inamba yam uyayazi ngentloko yena iyakreya kaloku.
So your phone gave him a little bit of hope. You understand?
Yes, ngokucima intliziyo yam isabhaka amagwinya.
What can he do? It's your phone, man. But then, that's a sour one.
It's a sour one.
Because even whatever that you say to him that it was a mistake,
he won't believe it.
We understand.
Sense.
She's capping on me. She misses me too. So why do you keep studies? Why do you keep?
Ndiyayifuna nyhani le nto yakho.
maybe
Why
like,
do you keep track?
Why do you keep track or contacts of your exes?
It's not a matter of keeping track, ne? I don't know. I think man, I didn't respond this thing so you delete it. I don't know why should I delete it.
Can I ask you?
Yeah.
Don't you keep numbers on your phone of people that you might need on your phone, or that play a role in your life?
Yeah, I do. I do.
So the ex.
Ngicabanga uyabona kule way wena Brian umuntu ngamdinga noba sesuka ukumosha.
Yes.
Ayithi lonto umuntu osesuka ukumosha okanye enemy yakho okanye umuntu ongamfuniyo soze umdinge.
Yes.
Yabo. So kukho izinto ezithile ubona ba lento ifuna unkuthalo cha sibe sixabene andizawuncedwa ngo serious.
Yes.
Serious usemhlabeni nami ndithethela kule nto yoba umuntu ungacinga uba umdingi siyayazi apha elifini uhambe ubone uba ndidinga laa mntu wayendimoshile okanye uncedwe nguye okanye lo wawumoshile kusemhlabeni. You understand? But into kule context sikuyo yothando i-out because akho sidingo soncokola nomuntu okhethishileyo. Akufunekanga uphandle kabini emehlweni eliyi-1 but kwindaba yokugcina inamba okanye kwindaba yokubani nabani na because uzukhumbule lo muntu lo uyamazi and uyazazi izinto ebegudi kuzo and uyazazi indawo ulife awuyeki uqhuba wakho ngenxa yoba uhlukene nayo and izinto anokunceda ngazo umzekelo abanye abantu sebencedwa zi-ex like into ezithile abo ex wamova on ngolife wakho wamova on, you understand? So ayithi uyekile ukuthi aluzazi ezazinto ebezazi ngenxa yoba sehlukene okanye ezanto ebenceda kuzo abantu abathile masenomzekelo ukuthi alugudi kwinto zizindlu ndifuna indlu mna usanondinceda uba uwile ngundinceda uba xa ufuna indlu funeka ube netwethile nethile, you understand? Mamen ngaphandle ezinye izinto that's why nsithi female zonke izinto zisendlisha nge-emotions yabona apha emhlabeni funeka uyazi yonke i-situation okuya uyendlishe nge-emotions ngoku uzisa into ze-relationship yakho kwizinto za-life wise wakho zangoku ufaka phaa. You understand? Andithi i-right into yokugcina inamba andithi wrong but ndizifaka ndifuna uya kwezi sihlangu nizibalekayo okanye kwezi sihlangu ningangeniyo kuzo zabantu abayigcinayo because hayi wonke umuntu onenamba usathetha naye.
Yes.
Ayithi uba usathetha naye.
Yeah.
Yabo. Because at the end of the day noba ungayidelete la namba ayizuyeka into yoba yi-ex yakho leya ngenxa uyidelete.
Ayana-ex.
Senisuko hlala ninonke senisuko share mhlawumbi ibhedi senisuko share ukutya senisuko share into ayithi ngenxa uyidelethile iyekile. You understand?
Okay, now I'm sorry for that not to cut you, but there's something that you mentioned that on this context of love, it's not relevant to have. It's gonna bring insecurities to the relationship.
Thank you.
Because as much as you just said now that the fact that you have your ex's number on your phone doesn't mean that you are talking to him or her.
But now how am I
But how do I know that you're not talking to him or her? I'm dating you. You are correct, 110% correct that the fact that I have his number or her number on my phone does not mean that I'm talking to her or him. But me as your partner, how do I know that you are not talking to him?
Uyamtrust umuntu wakho?
Yes.
Uyamtrust? If umuntu wakho uthi akathethe naye uyamtrusta kuloo nto xa
Yes.
Uba uyamtrusta why une-problem xa sithi
Here's the thing about trusting.
That's different, bruh.
Yeah, here's the thing.
My guy, that is different. I can never trust you ube une-number ye-ex. What if uzawuthi xa ndingekho mna ndisekuthembile, you understand? But xa ndingekho the first thing uthi short left ndisukile phambi ngonyamakazi.
There's this thing about trust. I'm gonna give it to you now. There's this thing about trust. People have a tendency of using that word to cut any conversation that has anything that you wanna question. Where are you going? Who are you calling? Who's this that was talking to you at night? Do you trust me? So if you trust me, why are you asking me these questions? So people have dwelled on this word trust, have used it to make people do not have questions of stuff that they should have questions about. Now allowed to question some situations because you have a fear of the person saying, you do not trust me, that's why you're asking me this thing. So because now you want this person to believe that you trust
actually doing
him,
nothing, yeah.
then you want to keep quiet. And that's where the danger is.
Yabo, do you think ukudelete inamba yam ye-ex yam, do you think loo nto izawundenza uba ndifuna ukwenza into ndingayenzi because of ndiyidelethile?
No, it won't stop you.
Mamela kapho ndiyakhona be honest, yazi xa ungafuna utshita awufuna utshita noba unayo inamba noba unayo.
Yes.
Ayenzi ukuba nenamba uze utshite. Isigqibo sokumuva uyotshita siba kuwe.
Yes.
Isigqibo songatshiti siba kuwe. Isigqibo sorespect ipana yakho sikuwe, asikho sefoni. Uzukhumbule le phone itofu wasithi nguwe.
Yes.
You understand? So ipoint yami sekubeni ngoba ikuwe lento and ke ngoku wena uzondicontrola efonini yami ba ze ndikuyazi ba iloyalty yakho igrand delete eza exes zakho because xa ungazidelethanga ungenza nantoni na utsho ngamanye amazwi subtext lisebenzisayo kum.
Yes.
You understand? While mina ndibe ndisithi andiyenzi loo nto ndizazi. You understand? So naleyo into ndifuna siyijonge nangolo hlobo because ithi loo nto leyo uyandicontrol, which is nalo uzideletileyo inumber ze-ex angathi kanti akakho honest kuyazenza izinto but ke ngokwenu ulwa le-ex uzazenza. So that's why ndisithi mna isigqibo sisemntwini, asikho kula ex, asikho kunamba ekhoyo, sikuwe uba mna ndiyamrespect usethu, ikhona inamba ingekho ndiyamrespect usethu, okanye mna ndithatha isigqibo soba andizumenza laa nto ezifana.
I do hear you. I do hear you, Zoo.
Hey, amadoda.
You're making sense, ne? But I'm gonna come into that again. As much as you say that, whether you have the contact of the ex on your phone or you don't have, if you wanna do infidelity or cheat, you can still cheat. That is 110% correct. 110% correct. Do you understand? But now, nah, man, not like that. But now the thing is that it's more like where you are in your room, you are at home. Yeah? You're avoiding danger to go outside, don't go outside at night. But if they want to rob you, they can rob you inside the house. Do you understand? Although you are inside there, they can rob you. But does that mean go where there is danger, there's high chances of being robbed? No. You have your ex contacts on your phone. I know that doesn't mean that you're gonna cheat, you're gonna date him or her again. But I must those things must not be there. There mustn't be a red flag of if it happens that you once cheat, then I'm like, oh, I also saw some exits on his phone or on
But
her
in
phone.
China, I don't understand. I'm that one type of a person who would be like, if you would say, Kumu, hey, in China, they are born by kudala simuncisana ngesizwe, so I just decided uba mandisikhwamze. You understand?
Yes.
Iphelile mos, you understand into besiyidibanisa. Ukuhlaba ublock mna mtshana ngokudelete ngoko nangoko because I'm avoiding into yokubana ipartner yam. One thing you should understand about amachiri ne, as much as ba wena uzazithethelela that ingakhona inamba ne, but andizuyenza nto, automatically kum 10% say pha phezulu inwele uboya sophezulu kumba. You understand?
Yes.
Ilento ufumaniseka ba you never gave me a reason ba indenze ndicinga ba ungazunchithelo anything, but I'm safeguarding myself because
Yes.
it's there. You understand? And amachari akhipha nomshayo.
And
Amachari ayawukhupha nomshayo. So ngalani ba okay, ungangiposta ube loyal uyomapha umakhona ne, and then boom dinalani ba hey, like uagrimoni ukuyibona lana uagrimoni that chick lento kuguy kwathi but uthe uguy ngoku xa iphumelele grand wanalando wafila entitled, i-exes fila entitled.
Yes.
You understand? So ngoku ndizathi gqi kuwe sendisithi gqi ndikuthumelele noba yiloo nto nje lo miniskirt cute. You understand? Okanye jonga kulaa picture yam yayizolo uzawukhomenta phaa be you awusemhle machezi.
Okay.
Ndithi wandishiya nje ndimhlola. That's a conversation. Iyaqala ke ngoku phaa i-conversation. Ayibona umntana abantu mhlawumbi ni right anicheka ni phone anithini you understand? Ntla iyavela ndiyafona ndi-ex yakho. How do you explain loo nto leyo uba kutheni na? Engqondweni yentombazana automatically uyafowuna kakade yinto ayiqhelileyo anything. You need to nurse your girlfriend's feelings. you should try and avoid into ingekenzeki.
Ba-manipulative ke female jong
Ufika madodeni.
jong angakuyekisa yonke uyabona ke kweli cala uba mandinese feelings za abene engazinesi because singabuza kwifowuni yakho inye indoda encokola nayo yindoda yakho cha
Kweyami phone. Mntasekhaya.
i-one na
Ngoku
mamela phezulu nini i-one na WhatsApp nayo
ngoku i-1.
wekho amadoda contact enye indoda
Amadoda khoya efonini yami nangaplinta abazungaplinti kamanye amadoda but ya screenshot.
But the thing is,
Wena
now,
ngicela
I think now the thing is we're talking about exes specifically.
yeah
The men and women on the WhatsApp contacts, because you might talk to them, they might be men. They are like women on my WhatsApp.
entertain
Yes, I'm gonna answer you.
Hey, you are entertaining.
They are women
Ngiyacela.
on my WhatsApp. Do you understand? I was at school. I was working with them in the lab with a WhatsApp group.
Yeah.
Some the numbers are not even saved. For instance, now I was contacting one for her to get me a feedback from our faculty officer at school. Do you understand? It's a woman. It's on my phone. But I know why she's there. You don't even talk to them daily. You don't. But when you need something that is school related, that is work related, you contact that person, because in the places that people work at, there's not like
yeah
only men.
yeah do you think ubona intombi enhle into wakho ne ubona intombi enhle not ex yakho
Yes.
intombi enhle uthi wena hayi into yomsebenzi otherwise angaboni bathetha
Yes.
do you think ngokwakuye uzawuconvinceka yile mithi
But I won't be convinced.
mamet uzawuconvinceka so apho ndiyakhona ndiyakulaa nto yala ex ikhoyo
Yes.
nale number nalo mntu ungeyo ex
Yes.
ukhoyo you understand uba njengoba lapha nje anincokoli and akho nto eyenzekayo na xa esi story sakho uza ngaso ndihappy mna ngaso esi story ayike uzayiconvince ibe happy umntu wakho ngale challenge lapha
No, the thing is, you see,
Ayifani.
the ex and this person is your colleague. As I made you an example, I was working with three gents.
Uyayimela.
No.
Ayifani.
The thing is, I was working with 3 guys, and then I had like 9 girls who were my colleagues. So it was female dominated while I was working at the lab at school. Do you understand? As I said, we had a WhatsApp group.
Hey, noma wafila superb bra uyaqonda ukusarandwa zingono.
No, it's not about that.
Stay confident. You were looking forward to being.
But besides that, man. So now, the thing is, yes, I might be talkative now, but in the workplace, I'm not so talkative. Do you understand? So sometimes you not on WhatsApp. Then this person wants something like from you, is either a project or whatever, or there's something that she wants to borrow from you. She can't say it on the group. Then the person's gonna contact you. But if I come to my woman and be like, or to my girlfriend and be like, no, this is my colleague, we work together in the lab, I've never had any problems with that from her. You understand? Because it's a different thing if you say, this person is my colleague, but then the
other
stuff
person
that
is the ex.
Yeah, the other person is
Aye,
the ex,
bruh.
and this person is my colleague. But now, this person calls you 1 o'clock at night, this and this and this and that. Okay, there's some other stuff that you're not talking about that are not work-based. Then I think on that case, you must raise your eyebrows. Like, what happens? There's a story, or there's a voice note that I had one time from Zoo, actually, and from an FM radio. So I won't mention. So this woman, I'm talking about like now workplace scenarios. This woman is married. The husband is at home, not working or not financially good. This woman comes to the husband and says, hey, my colleague at work, a male colleague at work, offered to pay fees for my studies. How did you? So she comes to the husband and like ask, okay, so what should I do? My colleague wants, so it's the husband that called the FM radio to ask, but how do I handle this situation? My wife just told me that a colleague wants to pay fees for a course that she always wanted to do. She's willing. So how did they end up talking about that the husband cannot provide for you see now that's
Yeah.
mamela ke before siphendula lo mbuzo yaphinda ndiyabuza kuni since ke ngoku sithi yi-colleague ayo ex uyamtrust lo mntu
to the whom which one
kaloku besiye kulaa nto uba nisithi nina ayifani xa iyi-colleague
Yes.
naxa iyi-ex
Yes.
so ndithi mna ungayi-entertaina ne-colleague xa uthandana nam so ayithi loo nto mandikutraste because ayo-ex
Yes,
because awunandoda eyi-one kwiicontact zakho
Yes.
so kamanduza nesi story salo mntu yale colleague
Yes, yes.
you understand so xa ufumana wena i-colleague
yes
engumjita kwiicontact zakho uyaunderstand so uyayitrusta because kuthiwa hayi yi-colleague le ndi-entertaina kangaka
yes
and then uyabona ke ngoku i-situation ezifana nesistory uza naso
you see
Mtshana.
now that's the partner's problem
Do you know what the danger is?
what the danger is
Involving a third party.
yes
Okokuqala, because okokuqala ngoku laa tyani le ilapha endlini sentsho umyenam ngoku ndimenze ikwekwe.
Yes.
Understand because ndiphume ne-dirty laundry yakwam uba
Yo.
ekuse le tyani ayindondli
that
ncam
is
uyayivane
painful.
and ke ngoku ayikwazi nondibhatalela i-fees and whatsoever so that's when ucolleague enters ke ngokuba uzambhatalela isikolo understand iqalele phi laa ncoko sekufikela kule nto no it's fine I can pay for your fees and uqalela kwayo laa ncoko ne yintoni icolleague azayizuza after ukubhatala isikolo
yo I mean
yes ndizayibuyisa imali yakho ungu-NSFAS of some sort but kule process into yokubana undinike i-500,000 yezinyanga zonke uyazi-understand nalabanyaka let's say I want to do medicine i-7 years uthi wena okay jonga bra zakunika i-1 meter to cover yonke le nto iindawo zokuhlala zothini nawe ube mhlawumbi esikhweni sifike njani kulaa ntoba uzandikhuphela i-1 meter yanunderstand ndibhatala njani le 1 meter uyayiva ne ifana kulaa nto uba jonga mna sikhule sinalaa nto uba usalizwe uyayazi if I would say mna ndicela undenze liti mhlawumbi usalisa uzawubuza unenzela ntoni mhlawumbi i-10 yakhe yovasa izitya awuphila sizakuvasela izitya ina ethe mosandithi ndiyonqena mna ngalo mzuzu undenzela ikofu uzenzela ikofu so yena uzawundenzela ikofu and then ndiyayazi uba phaa lates zamvasela izitya so xa uzandinika ungeyiyo BF yam imali yofunda u-NSFAS umkhabile khandiyifumana i-funding uyandinika le mitha ndiza kunika ntoni in return
so sethu uzama uthi amadoda amaninzi asesouth africa enziwa amakhwenkwe because the reason ndisitsho
ndikwenza ikwekwana xa ndizawuthetha zam
the reason ndisitsho amantombazana amaninzi asesouth africa siyayazi uyaunderstand uba indathina amadoda adifferent owe-wings mhlawumbi owemali
asizukwazi uyilwa ke leyo
mamem kaloku which is amadoda amaninzi uthi wena once uwenzelani menza inkwenkwe which is amadoda asesouth africa enziwa amakhwenkwe zii-females zasesouth africa
iyaxhomekeka imeko kaloku sana yeli lona zube nathi
mamela kaloku mamela siyavumelana uba uthi kaloku wena mlomako enziwa amakhwenkwe right umenza inkwenkwe so siyayazi uba esouth africa sine-ideologies ezikwii-females ezithi indoda must indoda engenamali indoda ethilethile bade futhi bangungelane bacebisane ngezo zinto you-understand owe-wings owe-rent owentoni so ngamazwi aphandle amadoda enziwa loo nto enziwa amakhwenkwe utsho wena njengomntu oyifemale okay hayi ke
umenza ikwekwe xa uzawuthi xa ndizawuthi kuwe zube nathi okokuqala awundithobi laa nto iba ngaphansi kwebhlokwe understand and then the next thing ndithi gqi kuwe sendidimanda into yokubana khayo ndenzele inyama yenyongo akhona amanye ama-awuthi afila enticed xa ungathi indoda ubona uba uhambela phezulu isifuba sithe gaxa yothenga nambeko uyayi-understand but kule yam ipati yento yokubana umenze ikwekwe remind you this woman is married number one masiyeke yomjolo yothini uyayi-understand utshatile the next thing ucolleague uthi uzambhatalela izifundo ifike phi iqale phi mna uxelela okay yazi yintoni inkuthalo hey bra there's this Chanel bag that I want you understand hayi bofethu une-out nje asikalowo into yaziyo nje
you see
understand so ndigqibile ukwenza ikwekwe ube ungumyenam bra bubukhwenko obo xa ndizawuthi ayisiso ntwana yam hayi ayisiso hayi ayisiso
So yeah,
ayisiso.
the colleague part and the ex part, yeah, is different. But then, because between your colleagues, is you strictly talk, work. Once your colleagues start to deviate, you are able to address them. Whereas, as she mentioned, that some exes feel entitled to some stuff. You understand? Because this person knows you. This person has been with you. Some you stand like, hey, I don't want to do this, but then you understand, you end up not doing it, yes, but why even bring it up? Because now, let's say my ex contacts me, saying, okay, come see me. I say, no, I don't want to. Then my girlfriend sees that my ex tried to contact me, then I refused. It's a problem, although I did refuse, because she will be like, this is why I don't want you to have the ex, because now you see, now she's trying what she's trying to do. She's lowering you in. You understand? But then even our viewers man can comment on that if they have any
ANC
comments.
Bra would never, especially singamachele, remember sijolile for 7 years. Zininzi izinto esizenzileyo. There are things where I didn't feel confident to do, but I settled for less.
Yeah.
That and abekande ndiyazifunda, because remember, this is you and I, it's not me alone. And amachera amaninzi anayo lana ufumaniseke uba indoda must le nto ibithethwa nguzube nathi ufumaniseke uba ngoku 80-20. Yeah, understand, when you have to compromise kuyo yonke loo nto leyo ba into ethile, let's say umhlawumbi ithi let's go for bungee jumping, unephobia ye-heights bra, but ngoku because of ufuna usatisfy i-age lakho ngoku nawe ngoku uyojinga phaa for ntoni, and ufumaniseke uba oh my boyfriend loves me because senze i-bungee jumping. Guys,
And yet the guy was
hence
not even
ndikubuzile
there.
xa uzawuthi ukuze ube nathi indoda must yana utatakho uyayenza.
They don't like that question. They say I'm not.
And
you
bazawuthi
are my
ndithethele
boyfriend, you're not
namathi,
my father.
you have to.
You have to. But
Remember, I did mention this, ndisithi abanye abantwana, and uthethelela umjolo, but ke this is a conversation.
Yeah.
Abanye abantwana, they get in a relationship bene parental issues.
Yeah.
You understand?
That's true.
Ufumaniseke uba ngoku I'm being clingy. Look at me. Mna, I'm one thing uzawuthi undiqhele now. I'm the most clingiest person ever when it comes to my siblings.
Yes.
Yeah, understand? And yile nto ndingathanga nqa xa uzawuthi gqikumu ndisithi ndicela undihage. Umhlawumbi the minute ndithi kuwe ndicela undihage, there's something endiyifilayo.
Okay.
Yeah,
yes,
understand? Because I'm babied too much. Isiteketiso sam nalapha ekhaya ngubaby. Yeah, you understand? So mna ndiyathanda uba babied too much. Kuwe, it's not gonna be easy ku BF uba ndithi baby me. You understand?
Yeah.
But iye yenzeke laa nto. So that's why ndingaqhubeki mna xa usithi kum you are kudala ndikuhaga. Andiwagivi because ndiyayazi apha ekhaya ndiyahapha. You understand?
I feel you.
Yes, bakhona abanye ufumaniseke but it's not easy for you to be open enough for whatever, because kaloku umntu une-daddy issues and whatsoever. Do you feel like laa nto it's i-relationships ezininzi ezingasebenziyo? Is it because of you didn't thoroughly do i-background check ba ekuse usethu ngumntu onjani, ifamily yakhe sentsho, do they hold conversation olu hlobo, like kufikwe xa kuzawuphakwa kuncokolwe, we understand?
Yeah.
Because we have even uncomfortable conversations with umama wethu thina.
Yes.
Yeah, understand? And then, like, do you go through that niyokwenza i-background? Is it okay for you ukwenza i-background? Ungandixeleli nge-background ozawuyenza kuze ube nathi nosalizwa mna usogqiba uba ubuze uba usethu ngumntu onjani, uba ufumaniseka uba kuqhaqhwa ii-files.
Oh, okay.
But it's say, because kaloku remember uzandibuza kuze ube nathi, kanti uzube nathi une-16 years endifuna and zange ndimvume.
Whoa.
So uzawuthi qhi ngoku sendibhesha laa way. Uyayibo?
Yeah.
Like, do you want to know uba ungumntu onjani? Whatsoever, so that you can avoid ukuthi kuye kanti ngexesha uthi yinto yayisenziwa ngutata yakhe, so yena uyifumana as a trigger.
Okay. Now, yeah, I think you should do those things. As much as I'm someone that believes that people change. You understand?
Okay.
Klambi, you didn't get much love from your parents or whatever. You did have those daddy issues and stuff, but it is something that you do not want to see another person experiencing. You understand? Then, so I don't like if someone has like a bad past. Do you understand? Especially those kinds. Do you understand? Then to write them off. I always make an example of Nat Mangai. I don't know if it's true that he was once what do you call it? Convicted.
Yes.
But the lady that he was dating stood by him. You understand? And there's this song that he was saying that he beats on Amakam and stuff. Look how he turned his life around, and that lady was there. You understand? But if it was a lady with a different mindset, as soon as she heard that Nati was a convict, maybe you could have fled and could have like said, no, I'm not going there. You understand? So I'm that person that believes in those kind of things. So but if a person feels like getting to know the person, digging up like some other stuff, finding out more, okay, how's your family orientated, because there are girls that don't want to date a person that comes from a disorganized family. Understand? Some guys don't want to date a girl that comes from a family where there's no father or there was no mom. The person is not from a marriage, because they believe that also they won't get married. Do you understand?
Okay.
It's those things. So it's quite.
There's a superstition.
Yes.
But now I always say there's nothing such as a soulmate.
I don't know about
create
that.
your own soulmate.
I think so.
Because it works along those lines, rather, like example. And anyway, shout out to Unati Magai. I felt so good to Unati Magai because Usmele Eastern Cape, and I said, and you're young and under there, but can't abone post there, a post change your profile picture, you know. Social media is very powerful. Go Facebook, it's like bekusetshenziswa lyrics zengoma zakhe understand athobe yuna kunomvula wakho and he was the way he interacts in the fans is like it was so funny.
It's amazing.
Understand? I was like, yo, Klizio yami bethe lukuma. Understand? Those one of the lyrics is engoma yakhe uqeke. Understand? So shout out to Unati Magai. One day I hope I as I bukele. And I understand that we love him so much.
And coming, so are you done?
But there's no such thing as a soulmate. You mentioned in Okbana wayebanjiwe, yes. We understand because like I feel the lady was there, we understand that, and by a second asiyazi ke relationship status manje by eating into yakhe. Ilena DT, there's no such thing as a soulmate. Remember, we are two different parties trying to align companies. We're trying to merge our company to be one company. Understand that. Mnandenza malahla wena wenza oil. Masidibanise ezanto sike sikhangele into okubana ayikhona into sinoyikhupha isebenzisa amalahla ne-oil. Understand? Asiyazi ba amalahla ayadibana ne-oil. You get me? So there are certain things that ungazuzazi wena that mna understand. Understand? Like I'm that one person ongathandiyo ukubanjwa ezinyaweni. You're not gonna know uyaphambanisa. Ngifuna ezinyaweni.
Too sensitive.
They're very sensitive, understand? And inyawo zami zimbi mna. So ingathi xa undibamba ezinyaweni ngokungathi uyandigeza. Inyawo zami zazokuyenza. Understand? Not ndiwagive ungazihleka.
Don't touch them.
Usuzibamba brazi oversensitive inyawo zami. Understand? So awuyazi loo nto leyo uba andithanda uphathwa ezinyaweni. You get me? How are you going to know uba andithanda uphathwa ezinyaweni? Yes, uzawuthi xa uzama ndizawuba nalaa nto uba ndiyajampa, but I will tell you that, look baby, it's not like ngathi ukutheni andithanda uphathwa ezinyaweni. You understand? Mhlawumbi uzawubuza wena why ndithi ke mna ke no ndikhule ndingathanda uphathwa ezinyaweni, is sensitive. You understand? That's a conversation you're gonna know by next time. Oh, umntwana akathanda uphathwa ezinyaweni. You get me? So yabona, I'm creating you ba uyazi ba okay, I'm creating this spot for you to understand that babe akathanda, not that akafuni mna specifically ndingamphatha ezinyaweni, umhlambi sister yakhe yamphatha ezinyaweni akayifuni nakubani na. But I think it's even how you address it.
Yes.
It's not what you say. You know, it's how you say
it's
it.
How you say it. It's very important.
So I think the Imela side statement, but there's no such thing as a soulmate. You create your own, and then you will have a soulmate.
That is like a story for another day. Since you're saying that now, you see, now you're making me doubt now. But I think like, what is a soulmate?
Yo, mchana.
That's the thing. Maybe if I can know what is a soulmate, then is it ubambo lwam? I will. What is ubambo lwam? Then I will be able to answer that question. Do you understand?
Mchana. Mchana, I can never identify, okanye, let's say, elaborate thoroughly about what is it a soulmate, because the person who created it, Kamale soulmate.
So that's the thing. So
Yeah, understand?
I feel like if I could know, I do.
But yeah, I'm sure there's about an ideology, but soulmate in
Okay. Then on that case, I think I have found my soulmate. If it's ideological now, I think I have found my soulmate.
Guys.
Yeah.
So I podcast,
Yeah,
but
so
we
I
have
have found my soulmate. Yeah, because now as much as I said, if we could have a common meaning or explanation of a soulmate, then yeah. But then if you are saying that we can utilize it, I think according to the stuff that I like, I think I have found my soulmate. That person is a soulmate to me. But then maybe another person, to that person won't be a soulmate. Do you understand? Based on the stuff that person does or is interested in or whatever. You understand? Coming to that thing that you mentioned, like that if I ask Zoo about you, that I want to date you, then I want to find out some stuff about you, then I ask Zoo about you, who Zoo is my friend, and then Zoo might say stuff, stuff about you, because Zoo has been like hitting on you for some time. Then, do you believe that they are friends, true friends? Same as the soulmate thing. Do you think they are true friends? Do you think there is what we call a friend? Or like, what is a true friend?
I do believe, because I am a true friend. If you come into my circle and ube chomyam, just know that you're blessed and it's Tengis.
So
yeah, and understand. And okay, ungabuza, because I feel like
I was gonna like.
You want me to elaborate more?
Elaborate more, like what is like a true, because we have people being called fake friends and stuff. What is a true friend? And we've been told that you need to know that in life that you came alone, you're gonna live alone and stuff. Some people are making us believe that there are no such thing as friends, because there's this saying that when friends are few, when days are dark, friends are few. Those things that makes it look like there are no true friends. So is there friendship?
That's the thing. Nina ningena I friendship. Une expectations.
Okay.
The way I treat Usalizwa is not the same way I'm gonna treat Uzubenati, as much as we are friends.
Okay.
Singai group of friends is by 10, but bakona abu fumansekba. It once happened, I know.
Yes, I know.
Ufumansekba by sinjebes by 10. I2 Ivana
Kakhulu.
Murtu.
Yes.
Yeah, understand
Yes.
that. Growing up, we were a group of friends, sasa by 5. The Fumansek, there's this lady who captured my heart.
Okay.
You know, only to find out it's a Sherisha birthday.
Okay.
Singabonya komnye.
What's your sign, by the way?
I'm a Sagittarius.
I'm a Leo. Lion all the way.
That's my son's time. But yeah, bona mos by Sagittarius, there's no need to ibuze.
Yeah.
Ora yabo injenge sisikhipha sam. Okay. Okay, joking.
Yeah.
So I fell in love with aura yakhe.
Yes.
Yeah, understand. Yeki physique or whatsoever, it's a bonus.
Okay.
Character yakhe, the friend.
Okay,
Character yakhe mchana. I saw myself when I'm not within myself. Kuye.
Yes.
Yeah, understand.
Okay.
A person ongazukonqena ukuthi kuwe as a friend athi yo chomi yazi ba bonke bezazihlangu uz orange kule lokho yakho ungamhle kanjani, and ungabi offended rather. Yeah, understand? Okanye ube defensive ngokuba sethando wakho soka hey.
Okay.
Yeah, understand? And I was like yo, this person is me.
Okay.
Yeah, and then ke ngokuba shekleyo, they were like when uthanda us dash kakhulu.
I was gonna ask that now. If you are saying you are more closer, there's 5 of you.
Yeah.
You are friends, and this one that you are like more attached to. So now to the other ones, would you consider yourself as a true friend?
I am a true friend.
Okay. Do you believe in that, Asalizo, in that there are true friends?
I think there are people that are genuine.
Yes.
I think there are people that are genuine, and also your friendship. I think it's also it's built on convenience.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay.
So I think even kwilando soulmates as well. I think ikhona soulmate exesha.
Okay.
The soulmate exesha.
Okay.
Yeah. That's why I think
That's
it's also
okay.
a friend.
True,
Ikhona
yes.
friend exesha, but you know into bana ngaba that guy, we don't have to speak every time because we're in different parts of the world. But I can always call Cheetah, and that's how I think of a friend.
That person must go through.
If uziyatsala, Ken, I think of you. If I'm
okay.
then I can't consider
you. The reason I'm asking this now, there's this thing that we once spoke about, me, Zoo, and our other guy. You see, in life, for instance, now I don't own any car. I don't own any car. When a person starts to have a car, then you find out this person has friends that has cars.
Okay.
Do you understand?
You
you understand? Now the friends that he had while he didn't have a car are no longer like there in his life, but he still considers them as friends. Do you think that is something that we should accept, or is it something that it should happen? Because now the defense mechanism, or how they defend themselves, is that I'm driving this car, I have this car. Yeah? Now I'm hanging out with people that have cars. Reason B, if my car has a problem, I can be able to contact this guy and ask about where I can get a certain part for my car. Do you understand? My car has a problem, it needs to go to a service, whatever. Then this person that I'm in my circle now that are driving cars will be able to assist me there. That's the convenience that I think he mentioned. So now the ones that do not drive, won't they feel like left behind now in
How was I based in materialistic things? Then that person unaye right to feel some type of way.
Yes.
Mna ndinala moto ithi lo mntu ubunaye naye kwa Ace understand? Xa unemali umazi ba ichomi yakho. Naxa kuphela isishebe ekhabhathini uzufowunele lo kuye naye kwa Ace. You understand?
Yeah.
That is me. So mna mani ngabe la chomi yakho ever ndiyakonyula.
Yes.
You understand? But when ufumanise kuba xa ugrand ndikonyulile wanyuleka ngoku uyabazi. That's how friendships are ngoku. Ufumanise kuba jonga mna ndiyakwazi uzijula ijacu ngondingenamali uswelekile kokwenu ndenza umzekelo. Anamali mos yokuthengela mhlawumbi 10 cases ye drink. But ndiyayibona ikhetini yakho kwenu ba yes sigqibele ngela xesha benibuyile ngoDecember.
Okay.
Ndiyayothula mntasekhaya. Uyayana ndiyivase. That is me being genuine kuwe.
Don't you think the expectation onazo ezo xa usithi uyamenzela then xa enemali yena ngakwenze? Don't you think we are expect kweyakhe imali ba makakwenzele?
Akhange ndithi makandenzele.
Because uthi xa engakwenyuli yena like uyakwazi ukwenyula xa sengxakini but xa engakwenyuli yena like uqonda hayi awukhena ngenyulu kodwa unayo amendu onenyulu okanye insiba zonenyulu. So that's why ndibuza ba don't you think the expectations zakho ba xa nensiba makakwenyuli?
Kaloku ndiyithethela in a way that awuzusolo kungena kum, you understand? One thing you should understand, when I do something out of the goodness of my heart, alilelanga mbuyekezo. You understand?
Yes.
But kaloku susoloko ulilela kum ewe ndizakunika open arms, ndizakunika ingcebiso. But ngela xesha aba bakwa Ace babaphi xa ukhubekile? Aba bakwa Ace why ungakwazi, why kufuneka bezichomi zakho zoya kwa Ace qha uzuza ntoni?
You're making a point there, and also you're also making a point there as well, because if I think I once like had a conversation, I can't remember with whom, of what do you call this thing, umgidi, it's big there in Eastern Cape most, where people go and do those things. Do you understand? So now, when it's their turn to have umgidi, they want all those new beds, whatever that was taken there as gifts to be. Then I'm like, don't you do things like out of the
goodness of your heart?
Why do you expect them back? You can't. You must return them. So now, going to what she mentioned, because also on the other side, it's okay to be helpful to people, but I think you should be also mindful of people that are gonna take advantage of the fact that you are helping them. You understand? Because you might be a person that is like, okay, Zoo comes, I give him money, it's fine. He won't return it. It's okay. I'm not expecting him to return it.
Because that's your friend.
just a friend. I'm not expecting my friend to pay me back because it's my friend. But be careful of people that only come to you when they want to get something. Then that's why, in fact, you are a friend to them. They are not a friend to you.
Thank you. Bensisa
I think that's how I see.
Yeah.
So obubuhlobo bubonakaliswa ngezinto ezibambekayo ozinikezayo ngokwakuwe kulumntu yena angazibuyisi back.
No, not only just that.
Because the reason ndisiza ne uzawufumanisa into yoba wena mhlawumbi uyaspana.
Yes.
4 years.
Yes.
Unale friend engaspaniyo 4 years.
Yes.
Ayinamali yonke le 4 years.
Yes.
And then ibe nemali after 5 years.
Yes.
Oko incede 4 years. Xa iqala uba nemali nje umzekelo. Ufumanise izawufuna unceda kwayo.
Yes.
Omnye umuntu uzawuthi benincede 4 years lo muntu. You understand why engabuyi. So that's why mina kulami icala uhlobo endibona ngalo. If ndifuna ukwenza into ngelo xesha ndinawamenu ndiyayenza.
Yeah.
Uba uyibuyisile okanye akayibuyisanga ixhomekeke kuye. Mna andizuthi utheni lento angayibuyisi, utheni ezithengele imoto ngoku kodwa mna zange ndizithengele imoto ndandithini. You understand? So mna luhlobo enenza ngalo. Anandi uba utheni ngasani ikuye. You understand? Nakhona if ndifila ngelo xesha uba no ingathi ngokunokuyuzwa kum ndiyayeka.
Yeah.
Yabo uba ngundifila umnika ndiyamnika. That's why ngalo lonke ke mna ngexesha i-steering ebomini bam ndim.
Yes.
You understand? Ndikhathalele ifana kulaa topic ubuthetha ngayo uba nesa kakhulu ii-feelings zo. Isikakhulu ndinesezam. Isikakhulu ndikade mna because of if uyindoda, more especially kwi-South Africa, you are on your own. Uyanthola? So ngalo lonke ixesha zigade jonga wena because ake asimazi upart 2 wakho ukubuya. Sibona lo part 1 lo ukhoyo ngoku.
Yeah.
So ngalo lonke ixesha ke mna ke ndijonga mna uba ndiyafuna na uncedo sethu. Okay man uncedo sethu ndinako ukumnceda. You understand? Ngoku ingxaki kasethu izemva kweyam nantsi yam iphambili ngoku mandiqale ngeyam. So ndinyazi kolo hlobo.
Yeah, that's a valid point. I was just emphasizing what.
Yeah,
what
talking about friendships. Kulena ndithi we were a group of 5. I don't know why izawundenza emotional, but I'm not gonna be.
Yes.
But emotionally, iyanshaker. Because when I lost umamam, understand, Sweleka umamam. Do you know about out of class 5 who was there? Yeah, understand. So that's when I realized into kubana, and izange nchinje number 1. You should be mindful of your friendships. Ufumane sekubuza to change from being unguthalo. Ufumane sekuba you are the bitter nguthalo. Yeah, you understand?
Yeah.
Zange babe khona, zange bangithumelele messages. I've never had that conversation where about, hey, how are you holding up? Sorry, I didn't come to intontoni. But now indenzekayo uthe wogowa, yeah, understand, ndive ngomnye wethu ndidibana naye at the mall, was like, hey, ubani i-depression mntasekhaya imenzi apile yo iyamluma nawe. I was like, okay, I've been there. Yeah, understand? What I decided to do, I just decided to go and visit her.
Men's fruit.
Immense fruit, fruit and yeah, understand? But I went there because in Dinaland Ba, as much as and hetishile, but zange feel some type of way. I went there. Ndamenza wafila as if kukwabantu, you know, and everything. And I never really spoke about the fact that we are kumbulba mna when I needed you were not there.
Yeah.
I never did that. Ndamnceda and everything. And in that one alright, I sat down with her. Ndathi, look Charlie, you owe me nothing.
Yes.
So bana land ba isazela ungumntu zabana sisazela. You understand? But you so feel like just because you were not there for me, now you feel like you owe me something because galoko ndipinde nakhona for wena life in.
Yeah.
I tell into kubana ndixabene nawe or whatsoever, but I feel like you needed me at that time, and me being me and you knowing me that I would literally jump naxakutheni na, we understand. And then una friends zakhe, because another thing we should understand, sibadala fethu.
Yeah.
You understand? You and I, just because sasifunde Maitland sobabili doesn't necessarily mean ngoku nangoku so ngutata kakasithupha ufumaniseke basizabazi friends. Yeah, understand? Ubusy ngoku i-mentality yakho, you need to drain umoya wakho ba unosithupha ozawuthi xa isuke esikolweni akuqeshe ufumaniseke ba
sometimes you
don't even have
grow
time
up to be interested in different things that
exactly.
Yeah,
I understand.
I do get your point. I do get your point.
Yeah. So
and interrupt. And equally where you are see abantu abaninzi bayijonga ngoba when there's a dark friends are few and then bacinga bazikho i-friends okanye azikho realistic because asibancedanga kwengela xesha ebezidinga. You understand? Mina ndijonge njalo yabo if amajita amavest ukuthi abandincedanga ndibadinga abayezanga bazi-friends zami ndiye ndibhilive into yoba uba bebenako undinceda bebenondinceda. So abantu abaninzi banayo into ethi aba bantu xa ngakhange abekho usekoneni abezo-friends kuma ndinantsiki njalo because kusenokwenzeka la majita ngela xesha bekwingxaki zawo nawo ebeziphambili kunale yam okanye bebengenamandla ondinceda. Kutheni le nto ngoku sesithi wasangabuncedi hayi which is ayizo-friends. You understand? So umzekelo nam ndiyakwazi ungabancedi amajita am ndibe ndiqonda ndiyayiva imeko yakhe but andikwazi ukumnceda ithi loo nto andiyo friend.
Okay, so in all, my question was there are true friends, so we both.
Yeah, they are true friends, and they are genuine friends. Understand?
Yeah.
And love friendship, just know that is our liwa, because remember, there's a vision, there's a mission.
Yes.
I come to you knowing exactly that unalenga car, understand, and whatsoever. That's a mission. You andine nkwele taxi. Ungutale khona. Yeah, understand? That's a mission. Can't even dine vision in dokbana. Ah man. Okay, let me not be materialistic. Yeah, understand? But clear vision and mission. Zikhona ezinye izinto that sizawuzenza so bayi-2 that's gonna benefit the friendship in a long run. Yeah, understand? And then ufumaniseke uba ngoku should you say no kwinto ethile ngoku ndimkile. Yeah, understand that you no longer my friend. That's a mission, bro, because ndikuzisela izinto uba you should satisfy ezam needs ezingaku-include you. Yeah, understand? Let's say ndithi kuwe masambe siyorobha la plasma phaa close ube nathi. Of course sihamba ngemoto yakho. Is it beneficial for wena?
Nah.
Thank you. Yeah, understand? So zikhona nje friendships ufumaniseke uba you are being forced and then now uphela uvuma just because you are this person's friend. Uyazilibala wena ucengele friend wanyikokosi friendship.
And on that note, I think friends or kind of person that is a friend to you is someone that needs to respect your
boundaries.
Your boundaries. For instance, I do not drink alcohol. I've never done it. I've never smoked. So now
you do not do what?
I do not drink alcohol. I've never. I don't even know how it tastes. And I don't smoke, but I do hang out with people that drink alcohol.
That's good.
Because as much as I do not drink alcohol, I always say to myself, there are guys or there are people that have the best character that you'll find on this earth that do drink alcohol. Just because I do not drink doesn't make me a better person. Doesn't make me the sweetest person. Doesn't make me like the eat guy. You see, because I'm not perfect. Also, there are people that have good personality. When they're around, it's just nice time and they do drink. You understand? But now, when I'm around friends that they wanna buy alcohol, buy food, they drink. Then when I say I don't want to drink, they will be like, you boring. That's where I cut it. Because you need to respect. Because I'm not convincing you to stop alcohol. But why are you convincing me
to
drink alcohol? Do you understand? So I think those are the kind of friends that you should maybe keep around, or that are true friends to you. They respect your wishes because they're like, you boring. You're only the one that is going to be sober and stuff and stuff. Why don't you respect the fact that I don't want to do this?
Yeah.
I'm your friend.
Ndinemibuzo nje maybe apha konje since sinqola don't you think guys friends ne abona abantu babe ku competition internal is a friend ba ndiyanqwenela umshita abe right but anqwenela abe right ngaphezulu kwami ngumuzo oqala lo yanqwenela iphumelele lento ayenza aba lento yakhe not ngaphezulu kwami don't you think abona abantu friends but internal la competition. Number 2, ndike ndabukela bendike ndaseJoburg ndabukela phaya noko ifemeli zakhona bendizibukele noko zikula working class leya but ndifumanisa into yoba uyakhethelwa pam ndi-friend.
You
understand? Phaya if ndichomene noNkutyalo usezintweni ndisezintweni abantwana bethu bazawuba zii-friends siyabakhethela ngokwethu akanochomana nabantu abathile. You understand? Banezizathu zabo abazibekayo xa ndizama iphana. So ithini yenu i-view kumkhethelo, ithini yenu i-view uba kwi-competition internal ye-friends nje kuzo zombini because banezizathu zabo why simkhethela lo mntana because sifuna akhule ngohlobo okanye adibane nengqondo ezilolu hlobo. So ithini yenu baphinde kube khona laa nithi you can't choose i-family but you can choose friend.
Yes.
But kukho abantu ababachuzela i-friend. So nithini kuloo nto njani?
Just before you can answer that, we have been running for 1 hour 10 minutes. So whenever Nifundo is closing, you can close it. Yeah.
Okay.
Chana, I feel like we can do this the whole day. We can do this the whole day. From my side, number one, the internal, my underlining, that's internal wickedness.
Okay.
You can never, as a person, uwishe uba wena hayi uzobe nathi angaright elifeni but anganogqitha uligqwirha.
Yeah, that's jealous.
Uyathakatha.
Even internal competition, that's jealousy.
Uligqwirha because whatever that we capture in your heart and then it goes straight to your mind. I mean from your mind and then it goes straight to your heart. Ibe ingekho right. Uligqwirha.
But into enzeka kwi-friends lena.
Le nto ndiyithethayo. Yazi uba unamtshomi apho unegqwirha.
Because my following question will be, what if I keep prospering more than you? Then how?
Kalonzo unqoba 11 to 12 ndizawubhitya because of jealousy. Because
You see?
Wenza unqoba 11 to 12 because
Yeah.
we understand.
What if I keep on being successful more than you, and your wish is that I must not be more than you?
Benzawuphela ukulala kule nto uba bendisaza kule nto uba uligqwirha. You understand?
Yeah.
I'm gonna step in kule nto yakho. Look, okokuqala sine-mistake esiyilibalayo that umntu yabona le nto ndizawuthatsha kona touch base yinto ebenza kulandelisa ngayo. Umntu uneendawo eziyi-2 elifini. Ndinoyesu, uyesu njengenkosi nomsindisi wethu, you understand? But ke ngoku naye let's say unothixo naye mas kukho abantu abadalileyo bethu, uyayi-understanda, oozide uqala kuzide ukuthi we all know mos uba ifani yayiligama lomntu uqala khona, uya-understanda, sinamatshezi, uyayi-understanda, hayi nasekhaya hayi basebenze overtime, yabona babantu bobabini and omnye uripota komnye. Into endiyithandayo uba kuhlalwa imeeting uMandibongo Igcwabe once said kwahlalwa phantsi kwahlelwa. Uyayi-understand? I loved that song so much uba ndisayithanda nangoku. So ucinga uba wena just because uzawude uthi into yokubana ndinga-successful ndiyomakho ndimakhona, ucinga uba izawuphumelela le nto yakho usayicingayo uba okay mandingathi, uyayi-understand? Abe omatshezi, abe uthixo ndidalileyo ekhona.
Yeah.
Yile nto ufumaniseka uba ngoku uzawude uphelelwe imali kum mna.
Yeah.
Usiya kuzube nathi endumbeni ufumaniseka uba uzube nathi unefelele nja akayazi noba yeyiphi ibreed yena qala uvele wathatha nje for le nto uba kuthiwa mayibe khona ufumaniseka uba ngusnubi walapha ekuhlaleni but ucimba uzawusebenza ngamandla people. Suba intimidated izinto ezinjeya.
Yeah.
Kukuthakatha okuya because if you really love your friend, I always say I pray for my friends. Understand?
Like that thing that you are mentioning now. Now I always think that the more my friends are in better places, the more
I get
chances to
motivated.
be in better places. Because when my friend is up there and he's looking down at me, he'll be like, "Bruh, why don't you try this and this and this and this to get?"
Yeah, understand?
But now if I'm saying, imagine I don't even have the brain capacity to even think out of the box like he does. But I'm like saying he must not be successful more than me. But I will never be. The only way for me to be successful is for him to be successful first. Then he can share the wisdom or how he did it with me. Then I get there. So you.
And even ngoku ufumaniseka uba mna ndiyaphangela kukho ipost emsebenzini andizumnika. It's not gonna deduct isalary yam, bra. Uyayi-understand? Andizumnika uzube nathi just because eyakhe isalary izawuba ngu-6 figures kuneyam. That's my moment.
They be like, don't go to.
That's what I am designated for. Okwalo mzuzu. You understand? If mhlambi funeka ndibe kanti ndinepolo, ubomi bam, i-lifestyle yam, the moment endikuyo ifuna ndibe nepolo kwalo mzuzu. Ayithetha uba ndizoba nayo i-Porsche, i-Cayenne. You understand? Myeka abe nayo yi-chance yakhe yena abe nayo le Porsche ayifunayo. And number 2, I'm an SUV person. I feel like this is gaga. I need more people.
I first saw that Cayenne there on the Algating show, driven by another beautiful girl there.
I came to another beautiful you know what? He's my money, I eat you. Understand?
Before sivale ndiyayiva. The reason ndize nale question ne because into enzekayo and abanye abantu because of a friend banesa i-feelings ze-friend bahlale while bebona ba bukhona ubujealous bukhona ntoni yabo zizinto ezenzekayo ezo zinto zasezifilimini zizinto ezenzekayo siyazazi so onye ukugqibela le yokukhethela umntana apha ichomo okanye ukukhethela yona niyibona njani igranti kube kusithiwa you can't choose a family but you can choose a friend but ngoku bayachuzelwa abantu friend.
I wanted to go on that but yes like I want but then the time so because I wanted to like engage on that thing first like because you said there are true friends, there are genuine friends. Me and you getting close with Usive and other people that I'm friends with, my guy or my child, my lady, you don't wake up one day then you go and like Zoo, I want us to be friends. I'm going to the genuine part. You don't wake up and be like, it's not like a relationship where I'm gonna approach you and be like, I like you, I want you to be my you understand? Friends, genuine friends, you start speaking, you don't know how you even started speaking, then it goes, then you end up being friends. So you didn't choose to be a friend with that person. So that's genuine. But now, when I come from this family that is not so successful, then this other guy comes from the family that is successful, then the parents choose or say to him that he must not be friends with me. The fact that I come from a family that is not successful does not mean that I'm not smart. Maybe the guy wants to be friends with me because he sees that this guy is smart, he's helping me in a lot of ways. His advices, we share the same interest. He wants to be, we are driven, man. We are like future driven, we are career driven, goal driven. But then it's just that him is coming from
in a
this
better position.
Yes.
Yeah.
So the choosing part, sometimes the parents are correct. When they choose your friends, they say you can't hang out with people that do so and so and so. But I think it's up to you as a child to like assess the situation. Then you'll be like, because when your friends, I actually thought about this morning. When your friends are doing stuff that you do not like, you don't even have to cut them. They cut themselves. They cut themselves.
And that's very important.
If you're a girl that is saying, I'm not going to go out every weekend to go Ace or at Friends or whatever, but they want to go each and every weekend at Ace, they know that we won't go to Set. Set is not going to. Then they will remove themselves from you before you even remove. Because they see that, then, so to answer that part, sometimes the parents, because they've walked that part that we are walking through, they are right. Sometimes it's not the case. So yeah.
Ngiyakhumbula abazali bebekade besithi uba ubuhambe nobani une problem.
Yes.
But fumanise noma bezangxolisa kodwa uba ubuhambe nobani une problem. Uzukhumbula umzali unqonelelo kuhle.
Yes.
And then wena ke ngoku uthi no leyo umzali kwangoku no. Mayikhime kancinci. So that's why ndibuza uba uyibona njani?
Yeah.
As umzali, I would never choose who my kids hang out with.
Yes.
And who they do not hang out with. Remember,
yes.
Disaphila, you understand?
And you did your own mistakes.
I did my own mistakes. But I was not allowed to do mistakes because of abazali babelunga mehlokozi because bona babalala nti bana umama kabani uzawuthini. Yeah, understand? But I feel like Tina, we are in a more diverse century that ufumaniseke ba myeke awe You understand? Uzaziphakamela aze kuma yu mama ntombi wandiyeka ndawa. You'd be like, hayi mntanam kaloku ukhange ndicinge uba uza kuwa, otherwise sorry. I feel like if besinoyeka abantwana bethu bazenzele, andithi makube nguvula sibhuqe. You understand? But umyeka umntana akazithestele ubomi babunjani. Ayithethi uba awuzungena pha uthi yabona ke le anoko ithanda ukrakra. You understand? So ingafanele abazali bethu thina sikhule bestraumatizer in a way that zange yenziwa ke le into apha ekhaya because jonga mna ekhaya mna zoba like sizintoni nentoni and then wena uzokhetha iradio zange yakhona ke into ethile ukhetha i-media based things and mna yandikhubekisa laa nto. I don't want to lie.
Yeah, and ndiyayiva mna andifuni uxoka ne when it comes into ze-careers ndingamjonga umntana then ndimxhasa, you understand, but ke ngoku ndimguide kwinto ezithile but mna ndifuna uxoka guys, mna ndi-old fashion ngo-democracy ndi-autocracy. Mna guys ndilawula ngokwentando ndinguzwi lakhe, you understand, autocratic guys, you understand. So umntana akakazi ukwegqitha mna.
Yes.
Luhlobo endibona ngalo, yandiva. Andikhathali noba kuye angazi ukwegqitha mna, but kum akazi ukwegqitha mna. Wazi ukwegqitha mna xa eziphumele apha phantsi kwerufu yam, wazihlalela wazi ke ukwegqitha yena. So mna ndedwa like ndisenjalo as much as ndifuna umvula abethe kathini, because ebesikhe sancokola nomfuthalo ngenye imini sisithi isilumko sendoda when it comes amathando ngumuntu okhe wa-heartbroken.
Yes.
Ubuye ube sisilumko. You understand? So ubulumko ke ukuba bendikhe ndaphandwa kweli mehlo lase-right mandingaphinde ndiphandwe ngoku. So ezo zinto zana problem nazo. But when it comes to leadership skill, autocratic mna straight, futhi ndiyaziwa ndiyadika njalo. So ke andifuna uunderstandwa futhi nami andifuna uunderstanda mntu. You understand? Yeah.
But in closing, Ngutalo, I think just because of inflation, as much as we would like to uklala the whole day and everything, I think in Gala so by 4 I would like us to engage a blend. Given a chance, ne, what would you say to the inner child in you? And
to the inner child in me, given the chance, what would I say? Yeah, you see the way that I live my life now. I'm still. There's a thing that I would have changed. Listen to your elders. Don't follow what your friends follow. Do what you think is best for yourself. Listen to your elders. Don't follow what your friends follow. Do what you think is best for yourself. As you grow up, you will come up with tempting challenges that will want to make you deviate from the right thing that you should do. Don't do them.
Thank you.
That's what I would say.
I would say it's a very this question. Dingati awuphambani, you know. I'll tell awuphambani, and also is that everything in a life.
Yeah.
Eventually you will get there, but this is a process that you have to undergo. This is the journey that you have to embark on.
Yes,
so more than anything, I think, boy, awuphambani, because we all grew up maybe in these environments whereby you are not allowed to dream. You can only dream to a certain limit, and then now you become as if like different, wrong. So more than anything, I would tell myself in the banana, boy, you are on the right path. And I so wish I can go back to that young boy, because I always say that at that time I saw no obstacle. But now as you grow, like if you look at challenge, I remember we would have conversations at where BM I so wish I can go back there, because like these are even more freely.
Even more freely, yes. I like that. And I so wish you can have more conversations with yourself. I think ndizawugqibela since ndizabe ndivala umkhusano. Zobe nathi?
Into yokuqala mna uba ndingabuyela kaBoy ngathi la idea uyinikweyo ilapha kwentloko yaziwa nguwe. Uyinikwe for a purpose. Yabo. So idoubt even noba ayikho apha kwi-town yakho okanye ayikho kweso sithile kuso but wena uyinikiwe for a purpose. You understand? So laa nto inikweyo laa nto yenzekile seyikhona but umehluko kushota iconfirmeke so that abantu koFacebook bazothi congratulation yona yaqale yakho kwakudala. You understand? Kwilizwe lomoya so suyithatha for granted and ngalo lonke ixesha since ningumuntu okhulele enkonzweni from Sunday school iqalo sobulungu koyika uThixo.
Yeah.
You understand? So uba woyika uThixo uzawoyika umuntu. Yabo umuntu ufanele umoyike. Xa usoyika uThixo woyika umuntu kukho izinto zam ongazuzenza abanye abantwana abazenzayo because woyika umuntu. Yabo so andinayo mna laa nto ithi yenza le nto ufuna uyenza ungamoyiki umuntu uhamba umuntu uyikwa umuntu uyaxatyiswa because umuntu nguThixo. You understand? So once umoyika uThixo uzawuzoyika uzawoyika abantu uzawoyika nokwenza izinto ezingamahlazo because umntana engweyedwa ungumntana wekhaya ungumntana omele ingingqi ungumntana omele ilali ungumntana omele idolophu uphume ube ngumntana omele iprovince udlule ube ngumntana omele South Africa. Yo lento kuye kubuza uba ngumntana kabani kulalali abanye xa wenze into entle athi ngwasedutywa lo iSouth Africa xa yenze into entle ngapha kulamazwe kuthiwa ngwase South Africa lo. So xa ungumuntu ke awurepresenti abazali bakho okanye wena wedwa urepresenta wonke umuntu. Le nto ifikileyo idea grand yenze but moyika umuntu zoyike moyika uThixo so that yonke into yenzayo ingazibambisa amazinyo. Sinelizwe elidlaka-dlaka kanjena namhlanje because ulityelwe ukoyikwa umuntu.
Yeah.
To me, guys, I think it's more like Dear Siphosethu Zide. Awuyazi ubomi buza kuthatha phi.
Yeah.
Bubeke phi. Phupha. You know, Nwena. On top of it all, isilishe ngokuthandazo.
Yeah.
And whatever that had happened ebomini bakho, it was never your fault. Please forgive yourself.
Yeah.
Please forgive yourself and uyekele kuYehova indlela yakho ukholose ngayo wokwenzela. Mfune tanci ubawo, you know. Hlobana nawe wena Siphosethu. Be your own advocate. We understand that. You are very beautiful.
Yeah.
Inside out is Thandwa-sam. And whoever ocimba uyakunyathela. Yeah, we understand that tyhala ngesifuba fohla. You know, and awutyhali nje kwinto ezingekhoyo tyhala mntasekhaya kwinto oyaziyo into okubana you'll be proud of yourself wena kuqala before your siblings, before your parents. So I think that's one thing I wanted to say to uSiphosethu. And uSiphosethu, whatever that you're gonna achieve in life in ntombazana uzuyazi uba you work hard for it. We understand that, but uzungayilibali le nto ingumuntu. Ungalibali ukuthobeka, ungalibali ukuba humbled. That's one thing I would say to Siphosethu. Yeah. Okay, in closing, abantu baza kufumana phi? Do you have Facebook or whatsoever?
Facebook, I do have Facebook, but I'm not so active on Facebook. I'm active, but my stuff is, I don't have a lot of friends, a lot of followers, because I have a small circle.
Okay.
But yeah, as the time goes on, maybe I will be, but I am on the socials, Twitter, TikTok, but I'm not so impactful on them, or I don't engage a lot on them.
Okay.
I just browse news, check some other stuff, trending things. But so for now, then we're gonna talk about that on Instagram. I'm also there, but then we're gonna, as the time goes on. Then
Okay, so just yet,
yeah,
Mama
just yet,
Besima.
yeah.
Zobenathi, any socials onazo?
Onfunayo makaye ku TikTok asearch kwakwanothemba nomzoxolo. Kumane kakhulu sine comic show pha
Okay.
series iyahamba sibalisa amabali ngamabali emizi.
Okay.
but siwabalisa in a comic way.
Okay.
You understand? Because ukuhleka okanye ukonwabisa abantu into enqabileyo these days i-tragedy yodwa eyenzekayo. So ukubalisela ibali kumnandi ulihleka i-therapy leyo. And then basearch futhi ku-TikTok enye into izimeleyo nguzuzide ikhona na ku-Facebook nguzubena nathi zide. You understand? And ke akhona ndiyithanda njengabantu.
Yeah.
Abantu bayazihamba i-show zami bayandifollowisha bayazibona ii-gigs endizenzayo izinto endizenzayo kuzawuba mnandi kakhulu kubo.
Before ndiye kusalizwa ndibonile ingathi kukhona into ubuyipostile kwenzeka ntoni apha kuwe kule nyanga ka-April?
Kubhizi kakhulu kule nyanga ikhona i-radio endibhiziyo ngoku City FM so senza i-talent show phaya.
Okay.
Yabo so kunama-artist njengomntu oye wakhulela ezilalini
Okay.
bezinqabile into ze-talent show so nobubona mhlawumbi uZola 7 ngomnye wabantu bendirhalela uba nguye ufana naye.
Okay.
Ubuvela ubona uba awuyazi uba ungenza ntoni ungabanceda njani ungenza njani ishow yakho unga-acta njani ebecula mosesithini so ebenceda abantu kahle kahle ndizibona phaa kuye mna. So la talent show kukunyusa umntana se-South Africa ongekangeni ongenayo i-confidence. Abanye abantu yabanceda kwi-unprepared ne-prepared speech esikolweni ukwazi ukuthetha gabalala phambi kwabantu ukwazi ukwenza isakhono sakho phambi kwabantu ungoyiki because xa usenza i-talent show noba uyenza phi noba abantu babili uyazi ndiba nobukeleyo and awuyazi ubomi bakho bungatshintsha njani.
So ikhona ku-Facebook?
So ikhona ku-Facebook umntu makasearch uzubena nathi side ku-Facebook uzawubona
yonke. Ke guys usalizwa?
Just Salizwa Zide anyways. Anyway, sorry.
Salizwa
Salizwa
Zide.
Zide.
Anyway. Okay guys, now you can catch me on Facebook Musipho Sethu Soyiso Zide. I have 5,000 followers, so the only thing you can do is just to follow me.
Yeah.
I have 5,000 friends, sorry. So please follow me. Ungathi ndifike kugcwele whatsoever uzandifollowisha phayana. On Instagram I am there at I am the Sese. Twitter it's the Sese, and also on TikTok it's I am the Sese. So ningandifumana nindithi, but do not forget guys to like, follow and subscribe
and comment
on our YouTube channel at Salim Media. That's where you're gonna get yonke content yethu. Ningalibali comment guys. Engage with us. We are looking forward for ukunibona guys. Ingaseniyazi ba sinithanda ekse khanisa apha manhanga apho dance kancane. Love and peace. Bye guys.
Okay.